Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I've got the landscape fabric, and let's see if I can open this up without ruining it too much, because I'm gonna get it back into the bag because we're not ready to install it yet, but I want to show you guys it but we've been going through a bunch of this stuff as we're building this new house here. So let's see if I can open this up, and I'll just show you guys how it is. So this is what it looks like here, and you can see it's a woven, it's almost carbon fiber-ish the way it's got that weave going on, but it's a woven plastic. It's definitely breathable and can be seen below. It's black, and let's see, the brand is called GreatBuddy. So that's it there, that's the barcode for it. And this stuff here is really nice and really strong. This is a huge, once we unroll this one here, this is probably gonna do, I guess a quarter of the yard. We have a lot of stuff to do. But this is really nice and the best landscape fabric. It's gonna keep you guys going good. It says weed barrier landscape fabric. So been using this for a while. Actually, the stuff that we used during the construction, same thing, and we haven't gotten any weeds for it. So I'm gonna say this is great. So thumbs up from me on this, and the link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.